Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are group 3 from 2ISA3. Today we will presenting about our project that are networking in bank branch. Before we get into the presentation, we would like to introduce yourself first. Hello, my name is Destry Sulistyowati.
Hello, my name is Iskandar Syakir.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Najwan Sulvadli.
This presentation has two content that we will discuss that are 1. VLAN and 2. IoT. In VLAN, we discuss about VLAN component, VLAN topology, VLAN IP address, and VLAN output. Then in IoT, we will discuss about IoT component, IoT topology, IoT IP address, IoT device configuration, and IoT output. What is VLAN? VLAN is custom network which is created from one or more local area networks. Advantage of VLAN is 1. It can make device management simple and easier. 2. Do not require additional hardware and cabling, so it saves the cost. 3. Higher performance and reduced latency. One component. There is many components we use, but we explain 4 of them. 1. First is webcam. Webcam is a video camera that feeds or streams an image or video in real time to or through a computer network, such as the internet. 2. Second is personal computer. Personal computer is a multi-purpose microcomputer whose size, capabilities, and price make it visible for individual use. Personal computers are intended to be operated directly by an end user. Third is server. Server is a piece of computer hardware or software that provides functionality for other programs or device called clients. And 4 is switch. Switch is a computer networking device that connects various devices together on a single computer network. Next is VLAN topology. Here we using extended star topology. This topology helps to control multiple nodes at the same time. The data can be easily transmitted across the networks and there is less chance of network failure compared to other topologies. Safe room has 5 devices. Of them, namely, VLAN consists of 50. Default gateway consists of 192.168.1.65/28. First address consists of 192.168.1.66/28. Last address consists of 192.168.1.79/28. Broadcast address consists of 192.168.1.80/28. Next network consists of 192.168.1.81/28. And then waiting room has 4 devices. Of them, namely, VLAN consists of 70. Default gateway consists of 192.168.1.89/29. First address consists of 192.168.1.90/29. Last address consists of 192.168.1.95/29. Broadcast address consists of 192.168.1.96/29. Next network consists of 192.168.1.97/29. And then hall has 1 device. Of them, namely, VLAN consists of 80. Default gateway consists of 192.168.1.97 29. First address consists of 192.168.1.98 slash 29. Last address consists of 192.168.1.103 slash 29. Broadcast address consists of 192.168.1.104 slash 29. Next network consists of 192.168.1.105 slash 29. And then handbrush room has 5 devices, of them namely VLAN consists of 60. Default gateway consists of 192.168.1.81 slash 29. First address consists of 192.168.1.82 slash 29. Last address consists of 192.168.1.87 slash 29. Broadcast address consists of 192.168.1.88 slash 29. Next network consists of 192.168.1.89 slash 29.
Now the output of VLAN network. In this case, I'm going to send data from PC teller 1 to PC in customer service. So the first thing, the teller PC will send the data to the teller switch, and then the teller switch send data to the main switch, go to the router. After to the router will send the data back to the main switch, and then from the main switch, the data will send into the customer service switch, and then into the PCs in customer service, and then back to customer service switch, into the main switch, into the router, and then back to the main switch, then to the teller switch, and ending up in the teller PC. If the status is successful, then your data is successful to send and the network is working.
Now we're discussing about IoT. What is IoT? IoT stands for Internet of Things. IoT describes the network of physical objects, aka things, that are embedded with sensor and other technologies for the purpose of connecting and exchanging data with other devices. IoT can be applicable in many situations, like consumer application as smart home, organizational application as transportation, even industrial as manufacturing or food. Next is IoT component. There is many component we use, but we explain four of them. First is home gateway. Home gateway is a compact consumer-grade gateway that bridge network access between LAN host link to one host, such the internet, through a modem or connect one directly while routing. The second is Wi-Fi light bulb. Light is a piece of equipment that produces light, but in this case, the bulb can connect with Wi-Fi. Third, fire sprinkler. Fire sprinkler is component of a fire sprinkler system that discharge water when the effects of heating element when have been detected. And the fourth is RFID reader. The RFID reader is a network connected devices that can be portable or permanently attached. It uses radio waves to transmit signal that activate the tag. Next is IoT topology. In here, we're using mesh topologies. A mesh topology is a network setup where each computer and network devices is interconnected with one another. The advantage of this topology is 1. Manage high amount of traffic because multiple devices can be transmit data simultaneously. The second, a failure of one device does not cause a break in the network or transmission of data. The last is adding additional devices does not disrupt data transmission between other devices.
Now I'm going to discuss about the IoT IP address. So the central office server is in the interface FA0/0 using IPv4 address 192.168.1.2 with subnet mask 255.255.255.0. The default gateway is 192.168.1.1 and the DNS server is 10.0.0.0 and 0.254. The destination is main router, so the central office is to connect the main router and the cell tower. And in the main router, in interface GA0/0, we're using IP address 192.168.1.1 with subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. The default gateway is none and the DNS is none, and destination is CO server. That's why the default gateway in CO server is the same address. It is the same with IPv4 address in the main router interface GA00. In main router GA0.1 the IPv4 address is 10.0.0.1 with the subnet mask 255.0.0 and 0.0. The destination is to the DNS and the IoT server. And the main router interface GA0/2 using IPv4 address 192.168.2.1 with subnet mask 255.255.255.0 and the destination is the home gateway. The DNS server FA is FA0 IP address is 10.0.0.255 at 254 and then the subnet mask is 255.0.0.0. The default gateway is 10.0.0.1. That's why the main router GA0.0/1 is connected to the DNS server and the IoT server. And then in the IoT server, the IPv4 is 10.0.0.253 with the same default gateway as the DNS server. And then the home gateway is using interface internet 0 with the IP address the DHCP IP address which is 192.168.25.1 with subnet mask 255.255.255.0 and the default gateway is 192.168.2.1. That because the home gateway connected to the main router interface GA0.2 with IP address as the same as the default gateway in home gateway, and the DNS server and DNS IP is 10.0.0.254 and the destination is all IoT devices. Next is the IoT devices configuration. First is unlock door with RFID and RFID reader, RFID card and RFID reader. The right is the code in the Node MCU. Then when the RFID card is close to the reader, the door will open. The secondly is fire detector and fire sprinkle. The left side is the code. Then when heat element is close to the fire monitor, then the sprinkle will sprinkling the heater element source. Third is automatic open door with motion sensor. The right side is the code. When the motion sensor detect a motion, then the door will automatically open. The motion is from alt and mouse cursor. Next is IoT output. First is login into IoT monitor with PC. After we login, we can control the IoT from this PC. We can turn off AC and light using the computer.
Thank you for watching. Hope this presentation will be beneficial for all of you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Group 3, peace out.